Atlanteans, Trailblazers, Ambassadors, welcome to Anante Shorts. Tonight is the session I quickly want to chat about. So what is Anante Shorts? It is short talks, big impact, real growth. So the type of stuff we do and we train and we teach and we learn at Anante X, it's not normal. So tonight I want to quickly chat about Anante X, the perfect partner. What does that mean? So I'm going to run through a couple of things for the average person, people looking for an opportunity, people starting part-time, for networkers, people who lost their way, and the old and the young. So Anantex, the perfect partner. Whatever your starting point, Anantex meets you there. So tonight I want to talk about something very simple. Why Anantex is such a powerful partner and why and for so many different types of people. Because most opportunities only work for certain personalities, certain skill sets, and certain lifestyles. Ananta X, it is flexible, practical, and it meets you where you are. For the average person, most people today are not necessarily looking to become millionaires overnight. So what do people want? Relief, stability, support, savings, and room to breathe. And that is where Anantex becomes very, very powerful. Because even without building massive businesses, Anantex already gives the members access to grocery savings, travel benefits, emergency assist, education support, insurance, and now obviously gold accumulation, auto gold accumulation. So here's a key line. Sometimes the first miracle is not wealth, it is relief. So for those people looking for an opportunity, now let's talk about that quickly. People who want an extra income, a side hustle, a future, they want to build something. But Anatex becomes powerful because you are not starting from scratch. Systems already exist, the five-step system, growth room, the Zooms, the leadership development, and our daily action structure. Here's a key line. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to make it move. People starting part-time. This is huge, massive. Most traditional businesses require big capital, full-time commitment, and huge risk. Anantex allows people to start where they are. Part-time, while working, while learning, while growing. Part-time effort can eventually create a full-time possibility. And yes, for networkers, this is power. Now let's speak about this. And this is a very big part of my heart. People already involved in networking or network marketing understand relationship, teams, duplication, momentum, but many networkers are struggling. Now, please understand, I'm not against network marketing. As a matter of fact, people involved in network marketing should seriously consider adding Ananta X to what they are already doing. But a lot of them are struggling because products are difficult, monthly value is weak, retentions is low, and systems are missing. Now, Ananta X solves a lot of that because now you have real lifestyle value, auto gold accumulation, legacy learning, daily use tips and benefits, simplicity, and long-term vision. Here's a key line. Anantex is not here to compete with anything and everything. It complements and it strengthens. And for people who lost their way, and there are thousands of us, I was one of them. This part is very important. For many people in networking, we all once had a dream and once believed and we built it, but then life happened. Pressure hardened, disappointment happened, and to me personally, burnout. And slowly we disconnect from possibility. And this is where Ananta X becomes special again, because Ananta X allows people like us to restart, rebuild, reconnect, and regrow without pressure, without needing perfection. Here's your power line. Sometimes people don't need another opportunity. We just need another beginning. Why is Anantex different? Holistically, Anantex is powerful because it combines saving, reducing stress through benefits, building, growing through systems and leadership, wealth thinking with the auto gold accumulation and a long-term mindset, learning, the legacy learning and personal development, community, growth through teams, leaders, and connection, and duplication, simply enough for anyone to start. Here's your key line. Anantex is not only a business, it is a growth ecosystem. The old and the young people is going to use Anantex to start building early, learn skills, create momentum, and develop leadership. The older people, now I'm not old, I'm like red wine. We just get better. But for the older people, start to relieve pressure, build additional income, reignite purpose, and create legacy. As your power line. Anantex does not ask where you come from. It asks, where do you want to go to? Now, for leaders that once built, why Anantex can reignite the fire. Anantex brings purpose back. Many leaders didn't lose talent. We lost belief. After disappointment, burnout, pressure, the excitement disappears. Come on, I was there. Anantex helps to reconnect leaders to vision, purpose, momentum, and possibility. Here's your key line. Sometimes leaders don't need replacing. We just need reigniting. The fun turns again. I've got that fire in my belly. Many leaders become tired of pressure, chasing, empty hype, and weak value. Anantex brings back connectivity, community, excitement, and real value that people can actually use. You don't have to start from zero. Us as experienced leaders, we understand people, teams, duplication, momentum. We know all of that stuff. But somewhere along the line, something happened. But Anantex gives us a fresh vehicle, a fresh system, and a fresh direction. The experience was never wasted. It prepared you. Anantex offers a more complete ecosystem. This is not only recruitment, hype, and selling. No. This includes savings, benefits, auto gold accumulation, legacy learning, over 250 courses, leadership, growth, and more complete long-term vision. And we can lead again with confidence. Many leaders stopped because they lost confidence in the industry. They felt disconnected, and they no longer believed in the value. Anantex gives leaders something practical to stand behind again. The value is real. Confidence returns naturally. Your next chapter can be your strongest. The past does not disqualify you. Your setbacks does not refine you. Sometimes the greatest leaders are the ones who fell, who learned, who grew, and who decided to rise again. Anantex is not just another opportunity. For many leaders, it may be the spark that brings back life. In closing, but tonight, whether you are just starting, looking for relief, building part-time, a current networker, it does not matter. We are not in competition. Someone restarting or someone searching for more. Anantex can become the perfect partner. Not because it promises magic, but because it provides structure, value, systems, growth, leadership, and opportunity. Here's the final line. You don't need to have everything figured out. We just need to start moving again. And maybe Anantex becomes the partner that helps change your future.